Working within Microsoft 365 can often feel like managing a digital storm. Your to-dos are scattered across Teams meeting notes, across planner boards, inside Loop agendas, and flagged Outlook messages. This fragmentation creates a major hurdle. You lose valuable time simply trying to figure out which task deserves your attention right now. To solve this, Microsoft built the My Day view inside the Teams Planner app, designed specifically to filter out that noise. By the end of this video, you will have a single, unified dashboard that aggregates assignments from every corner of your workflow into one focused list of priorities. You only need two things to follow along: the Microsoft Teams desktop or web app, and a few existing tasks already assigned to you. Centralizing your daily work in this way prevents dropped balls and removes the decision fatigue of constantly searching for your next action or workspace. To keep this tool accessible, right-click the planner icon and select Pin so it stays permanently on your sidebar. When you first open the app, do not be concerned if you see an empty board. By pinning this app, you transform it from a hidden utility into a reliable anchor for your daily productivity habit. Select the My Day tab at the top of the app. You'll notice the layout is intentionally minimalist to help you maintain focus. The system uses a specific algorithmic trigger for auto-population. Only tasks explicitly assigned a due date of today will appear here automatically. This means the rest of your massive backlog remains hidden, preventing you from seeing project history that isn't relevant to your current shift. This strict logic shields you from feeling overwhelmed, ensuring that your first glance at the app every morning is manageable and clear. To build out the rest of your day, navigate to the My Tasks menu and click on Assigned to Me. This is your master backlog of every obligation across the ecosystem. The My Day philosophy relies on intentional manual curation, where you actively choose which tasks deserve your energy today. Identify a high-priority task, right-click it, and select Add to My Day. You'll recognize it by the distinct sun icon. This works for various sources, pulling in flagged Outlook emails or Loop meeting action items using this exact same method. Once you've made your selections, return to the My Day tab to see your manually curated focus list. This selection process allows you to take proactive control of your workday, rather than reactively letting an ever-growing backlog dictate your attention. Now that your priorities are isolated, you can organize them into a logical attack plan. Use the drag and drop handles to physically reorder your tasks into the chronological sequence you plan to follow. As you complete each item, checking the circle provides immediate visual feedback, crossing the task off your daily list. To keep your workflow current, the system triggers a midnight reset, wiping the My Day board entirely clean every night. This doesn't delete data. Unfinished tasks simply move back into their original master plans, where they remain available to reassign later. This reset prevents task debt from accumulating, ensuring every morning starts with a blank slate and a fresh opportunity to prioritize. You have now transformed your workflow from a search through scattered apps into a single, perfectly curated list. To make this effective, spend the first 5 minutes of every morning in the Assign to Me tab, handpicking the tasks that will define your day. This small habit drastically reduces wasted time and builds the focus momentum needed for complex projects. Open Microsoft Teams now, pin the Planner app, and select your first 3 tasks to populate your board. Maintaining this level of daily clarity ensures your energy goes towards executing high-impact assignments with absolute precision.